Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class. Student, today date is 16 November 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 18. Name of the chapter is Our Festivals. So student, our country India is also known as the land of festival. Not a single month goes without a festival. So that is the reason our country is also known as land of festival. And student, when we are talking about the festivals, festivals are of three types. One is the national festival, which is celebrated by all the people who are the citizen of our country. Another is harvest festival. This festival is celebrated when the crops are ready to cut. And another is the religious festival. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video we discuss the national festival of India, that is 15th August. We say Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These are the very important dates of the past. These are the very important dates of the past history, and every year on this day we celebrate it as a national festival, because on 15 August 1947 our country India get the freedom from the British rule. After long struggle, it took 200 years to get the freedom from the British rule. And after the freedom, now to rule the country, so we have to need of a constitution, and it also took long time, 2 year 11 months. And in the month of January, dated 26 January 1950, we adopted our constitution. So this is also a very important date for us. Constitution is a set of laws to rule the country. What is a constitution? Constitution is the set of laws to rule the country. So every year there is a big parade held in New Delhi. It starts from Vijay Chowk near Rashtrapati Bhavan. So soldier of all the three armed forces, that is from Army, Air Force, Navy, even police forces, march on the Rajpath, and who hosts the flag and who take the salute of the parade, that is President of our country. And in 15th August, who hosts the flag, that is the Prime Minister of our country. Is it clear? And where the national flag is hosted? At Red Fort, and Red Fort is in New Delhi. So these national festivals, Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhiji Jayanti. So Gandhi Jayanti, every year it is celebrated on 2nd October. And student, on all these three national festival we have holidays, and in all part of the country this national festival is celebrated by all the citizen of our country. Why I am telling all the citizen? Because in India there is a lot of differences, because people belonging to different religions are living in our country. So it doesn't matter they are belonging to any religion. Thing is that if they are the citizen of India, so these national festival is celebrated by the all the people of our country. And then we discuss about a national festival, that is Gandhi Jayanti. So every year we celebrate this festival on 2nd October. Mahatma Gandhi ji is also known as father of the nation, और लोग उन्हें प्यार से बापू भी बोलते थे, बिकॉज इन 1950 गांधी जी रिटर्न फ्रॉम साउथ अफ्रीका, and then he started fighting against the British rule for the freedom of our country, that is India. And Gandhi is respected by all the peoples. He is the only person who motivated people of different religions and caste to stand together. Forget that whether they are belonging to any religion or any caste, because in old time these are the social evils of the society. ये समाज की क्या थी बेटा? बुराइयां थी. So Gandhi ji motivated all the peoples to stand together and fight for their nation. So Gandhi ji is liked by people of all the religions. That is the reason we also say Bapu. Gandhi ji is also known as Mahatma Gandhi, father of nation, and we also say Bapu to Mahatma Gandhi. So this was the efforts of Mahatma Gandhi that we get the freedom from the British rule. So every year prayers meetings are held everywhere, especially at his samadhi, and samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi is in Rajghat. Is it clear? Now after that, student, we are talking about the harvest festivals. So student, India is divided into 28 states. So harvest festival is the, especially it is a festival related to agriculture. ठीक है, खेतों में क्रॉप्स की कटिंग से रिलेटेड फेस्टिवल है, इसलिए इसे हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल बोलते हैं। एंड दिस फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन मेनी स्टेट्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री बाय डिफरेंट नेम। ठीक है, इंडिया के बहुत से स्टेट में जब भी फसलों की कटिंग का काम होता है, कटिंग जिसको इंग्लिश में हार्वेस्ट कहते हैं, कटिंग ऑफ द क्रॉप इज नोन एज हार्वेस्ट इन इंग्लिश। सो इन मेनी स्टेट when at the time of when the crops are cut, so at that time people, especially the farmers, become very happy because they are happy because they get a very good result of their hard work. They get a very good result of their hard work. So they celebrate festival to show their happiness. ठीक है, उस समय फार्मर्स क्या होते हैं, दे आर वेरी हैप्पी क्योंकि उनको अपने हार्ड वर्क का रिजल्ट मिलता है। ठीक है, नाउ ड्यू टू दिस, टू शो देयर हैप्पीनेस, many festivals are celebrated at the time when the crops are cut in the fields. That is the reason, student, we say these festival are as harvest festival. And in many states of the India, दिस फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड। ये फेस्टिवल इंडिया के बहुत से स्टेट में मनाया जाता है, बट बाई डिफरेंट नेम, बट बाई डिफरेंट नेम्स। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, लेट डिस्कस some of the harvest festivals which are celebrated in different parts of the country. Or you can say, let's discuss harvest festival celebrated in different states of our country. Now let's start with Baisakhi. In other state there are also harvest festival, but in their book it is given only 4 festivals of 4 states: Baisakhi, Bihu, Pongal and Onam. In UP also we celebrate harvest festival, that is known as Makar Sankranti, but in their book only harvest festival of 4 states had been discussed, so that we will discuss. बैसाखी. So name of the festival is Baisakhi. Now it is celebrated in North India. It means especially in Punjab and Haryana, you can also say. So Baisakhi, it is celebrated in North India, especially in Punjab. Okay, and Haryana also. You can note down Haryana also. In your book it is given only especially in Punjab. हाँ ठीक है, लेकिन हरियाणा में भी सेलिब्रेट करते हैं बैसाखी. ठीक है. So this festival is celebrated in North India, especially in Punjab. Okay, so it is celebrated in the month of, and in which month we celebrate it? It is celebrated. It is celebrated in the. It is celebrated in the month of April. It is celebrated in the month of April. In which month it is celebrated? It is celebrated in the month of April. And what was the name of the crop which is harvested at this time? मतलब कौन सी क्रॉप है जिसके कटिंग के बाद the people of Punjab celebrate this festival? So the name of the crop is wheat. Wheat आप सबने सुना होगा, गेहूं, जिसकी रोटियां आप लोग खाते हो, चपातीस खाते हो ना. Is it clear? So what was the name of the crop? Name of the crop is wheat. This festival is celebrated by this festival is celebrated when the wheat crops are harvested at this time. So especially Vaisakhi is the festival of Sikh. Mostly Sikh celebrate this festival, that is the festival of a Vaisakhi. So they do आग भी जलाते हैं, bonfire भी करते हैं. Is it clear? And especially the males, they sing song and dancing is also done on this day. जो मेल्स होते हैं वो भांगड़ा करते हैं बेटा, और जो फीमेल्स होती हैं वो गिद्दा करती हैं. ठीक है. सो इट इज अ वेरी फेमस डांस फ्रॉम पंजाब. मेल दे डू भांगड़ा and the females gidda. So this is a very famous dance of the state of the Punjab. So people celebrate this, and by they also sing song at the occasion of Baisakhi. Okay, so different types of dishes are made, especially halwa puri. Okay, so different types of dishes are made at this time, and there are fair also, मेले भी लगते हैं. ठीक है. और पीपल लॉट ऑफ इंजॉयमेंट करते हैं, क्योंकि बेटा देखो मैक्सिमम जो हमारी कंट्री है वो एग्रीकल्चर कंट्री है. ठीक है. मैक्सिमम पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री the main occupation of the people is farming. Is it clear? In maximum part of the country, the main occupation of the people is farming. So people, after getting a good result, because they have done lot of hard work in the fields for these crops, and this is a time for them to celebrate that movement. So we have given, it is celebrated. So whenever the wheat crop is cut in the month of April, so what was the name of the festival in the state of Punjab? That is Baisakhi. The name of the festival is Baisakhi, and specially Sikh people celebrate this festival of Baisakhi. Okay, so now let discuss Bihu. Next festival, Bihu, and this festival is celebrated in the Assam. Bihu festival is celebrated in Assam, and it is celebrated in Assam. And in which month we celebrate this festival? April. In the month of April. Okay. So Bihu is celebrated in Assam in the month of April. Magh Bihu is also celebrated, but in the month of January. So what happened? How do people celebrate this festival? People wear traditional clothes and dance to special Bihu songs. ठीक है? So in this way, the people of the people of Assam celebrate the festival of Bihu. So Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Is it clear? It is the harvest festival of Assam. Lot of enjoyment done by the farmers, because all these festivals are related to the agriculture. ये जितने भी फेस्टिवल हैं बेटा, ये किससे रिलेटेड हैं? एग्रीकल्चर से रिलेटेड हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि खेतों में जब फसलें लगती हैं और फसलों की जब कटिंग होती है और बहुत अच्छी उपज होती है, तो लोग बहुत खुश होते हैं, क्योंकि इससे भाई इससे सबको खाना भी मिलेगा, एंड बाय सेलिंग दिस दे आल्सो गेट अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी आल्सो. दैट इज द रीजन people do lot of celebration in all different parts of the country. अब next is a Pongal. Pongal. Name of the festival is Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, and it is celebrated in which month? It is celebrated in the month of January. So this festival is celebrated. This festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. This festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, and it is celebrated in the month of January. So students, where we celebrate Pongal festival. Pongal festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu and in the month of January. And for how many days the people celebrate this festival? So people celebrate this festival for 4 days, and people celebrate this festival for 4 days. It is celebrated for 4 days. Next important thing is that what was the name of the crop which is harvest after the crop is ready, then the farmers cut the crops. So what is the name of the crop for which we celebrate this festival? That is the rice. That is the rice crop. Is it clear? So this festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu at the time of harvesting of the rice crop. So what do the people do this day? People make special sweets of rice and milk. Okay, so people make special sweets of rice and milk on this occasion. So in this, what they do, they make a sweet of a milk and the rice. जो फसल होती है, नए चावल जो होते हैं, उन्हीं से बनाते हैं ये स्वीट. ये नहीं कि ओल्ड टाइम का राइस यूज करते हैं. एट ए टाइम जो आफ्टर द कटिंग द क्रॉप्स, सो जो न्यू राइस है उसी राइस से जो लोग ये स्वीट बनाते हैं. ठीक है. और व्हाट द पीपल वर्शिप गॉड सन एंड रेन are worshipped at this time, because on this occasion people worship sun and rain god. What is the reason for that? Because we know that student, plants are able to prepare their own food, and this is possible due to the sunlight. So they thanks to the god for the light which is coming from the sun. And we know that at the time of a rain, at the time of cultivation, we need rain water. So this water is very important for the crops. Is it clear? That is the reason on this occasion people of Tamil Nadu, they worship god sun and god of rain. And you know that god of rain is known as Indradev. Okay, so in this manner they celebrate this festival. Even you are seeing in the picture also, with the new rice the people are making the special sweet. So Thank you, student.